So good morning to everyone. Now today we will going to start the volume of sphere. So first of all we must know what is the volume of sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so this way we will do the in this exercise 13.8 we will do the volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere, the question related to these. Let's begin the solution for question number 1. Here question number 1 state that find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. So we all know radius is given 7 centimeter. We just use here formula volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so after calculation we are getting volume is equal to 4312 by 3 centimeter cube. You can leave answer in the form of fraction, or you can convert it in the terms of decimal also. Okay, now coming to next question number 2. Now here in this question we need to find the amount of water displaced by a solid which is spherical ball. Means how much water is displayed by spherical ball whose diameter is 28 centimeter. So diameter is given and radius will be 14 because diameter divided by 2, and water is displaced by the spherical solid means volume of sphere. Okay, so volume of spherical ball is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube again, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 cube, and then we will get after calculation answer in the term of fraction again, that is 34,496 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Again I am saying that you can leave answer in the term of fraction or you can convert in the term of decimal. After this we will do question number 3. Now here in this question number 3, let's read it. The diameter of metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. One metallic ball is there and whose diameter is 4.2 centimeter. We need to find its mass if density of a metal ball is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So density is given, we need to find the mass. So density is equal to mass by volume, or mass is equal to volume into density. Diameter is 4.2, so radius will be 2.1 centimeter, and we need to find first of all volume and volume of spherical ball. So volume of spherical ball is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. After calculation we are getting answer in the term of fraction. We will leave it as it is, 4 into 22 into 21 into 21 divided by 1000. Now density of a metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, mass of the ball is equal to density into volume, which I told you. So density is 8.9 and volume we have got it. We will put it, and after calculation we are getting 345.39 gram. So that is the mass of the ball approximately. Okay. So I think this one is clear. Next question, that is question number 5. Now here, how many liter of milk? How many liter of milk can a spherical bowl whose diameter is 10.5 centimeter hold? Okay, how many liter of milk can a hemispherical bowl whose diameter is 10.5 centimeter hold? This is bowl, and how much milk? So capacity is asking, and we need to give volume of hemisphere. Here diameter is given 10.5. First of all we'll find radius. So radius is equal to 10.5 divided by 2. Now we will find volume of hemisphere. In this way we can find its capacity. So volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2. Okay. So after calculation we are getting volume as 1,21,275 divided by 400 centimeter cube. To convert into decimal we are getting 303.18 centimeter cube, and to convert the centimeter cube into liter we will multiply by 1000. We will divide by 1000. Okay, so because 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, so 0.0331875 liter. In this way we will do and we'll find it. Now we will do next question, that is question number 7. Here we need to find the volume of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So surface area is given. So first of all, with the help of surface area, we will calculate R, because we don't know R. So radius will be R, and surface area of sphere is what? 4 pi R square. So 4 pi R square is equal to 154. So R square is equal to 154 multiplied by 7 divided by 88 or 4 into 22. So we are getting radius as 7 by 2 or 3.5 centimeter. We need to find volume. So 4 by 3 pi R cube. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now cancel it and calculation after, we are getting the value, that is 539 divided by 3 centimeter cube. In this way we will find the volume of this sphere. I hope this one is clear. Now we will do next question, that is question number 8. Here one dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. A dome of a building means so many buildings are there. In that domes which was made, it is in the shape of hemisphere. From inside it should be whitewashed. Okay, we are going to whitewash at the cost of rupees 498.96 if the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter. So find inner surface area, first part, and after that we need to find the volume also of the air inside the dome. The volume of air inside the dome, that is volume of what? Hemisphere. So let's begin the solution. First of all, we'll find surface area. So total cost of whitewashing is given 498 rupees 96 paise, and the cost per meter square is given as rupees 2. So we need to find inner surface area, which is equal to total cost divided by cost per meter square. So we are getting 498.96 divided by 2, 249.48 meter square. This is curved surface area. With the help of this curved surface area, we will calculate R. So the required curved surface area is 249.48 meter square. Let the radius be R. So 2 pi R square, because it is hemisphere. Okay. So surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square, which is equal to 249.48. Okay. So after calculation we are getting 2 and then radius we are getting after square root is 6.3 meter. Okay. After this we calculated the radius as 6.3 meter. Now we need to find the volume of air inside the dome, which is equal to the volume of hemisphere, and the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. After calculation we are getting the value, which we will take it in the approximately. So we are getting 523.9 meter cube. That is the required volume or the air inside the dome. I hope till this it is clear. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. I hope you all have understood all the questions. Thank you.